before you choose gravel for your backyard, pathway, or driveway, you need to watch this. Because not all gravel is the same. Some look beautiful but shift under your feet. Some are super strong but don't look great in decorative areas. And some can completely change the style of your landscape. Today, we'll walk you through the top 8 gravel types for landscape design and explain exactly where to use them for both beauty and function. Let's get started. Pea gravel is one of the most popular options, and for good reason. It's made of small, smooth, rounded stones, usually gray, brown, or white. Because it's smooth, it's very comfortable to walk on. Perfect for garden pathways, patios, around stepping stones, and as ground cover. It also drains water really well, which is great for areas where water collects. The only downside? Since it's rounded, it can shift under heavy traffic. So it's not ideal for driveways, but if you want something soft, natural, and versatile, pea gravel is a great choice. If you need strength and stability, crushed stone is your best friend. Unlike pea gravel, crushed stone has sharp, angular edges which lock together when compacted. It's perfect for driveways, base layers under pavers, artificial turf, and high-traffic areas. It stays in place under weight and handles water drainage well. So if function is your priority, especially for heavy use areas, crushed stone is a very smart choice. For a natural, organic look, river rock is beautiful. These stones are smooth and rounded, usually larger than pea gravel, and come in earthy colors. They're commonly used in water features, dry creek beds, decorative borders, and minimalist gardens. River rock is excellent for erosion control and directing water flow. It adds movement and texture to your landscape, making it more dynamic. This is more decorative than functional for walking surfaces. Decomposed granite, or DG, is one of our personal favorites for pathways. It's very fine and compacts into a firm, almost solid surface. Perfect for garden paths, patios, and rustic driveways, it has beautiful earthy tones that blend into natural landscapes. And it's permeable, so water can pass through, making it environmentally friendly. If you want a clean, natural, modern pathway look, DG is an excellent choice. If you want something bold and dramatic, lava rock stands out. It's lightweight, porous, and usually comes in deep red or black. You'll often see it in desert-style landscapes, modern gardens, or as mulch in planting beds. Its porous structure helps retain moisture and aerate soil. Visually, it adds strong contrast, especially against green plants or light-colored walls. It's both functional and a design statement. For a clean, high-end look, marble chips are stunning. These small white stones instantly brighten a space by reflecting sunlight. Great for formal gardens, contemporary landscapes, and patios. They're durable and low maintenance, though they can show dirt more easily. If your style is modern, luxury, or minimalist, marble chips can elevate your outdoor space instantly. This is like the tougher cousin of decomposed granite. The stones are larger, more rugged, but still compact well. Best used for driveways, high-traffic pathways, and patio bases. It's stronger than finer gravels and handles rain very well. Durable, practical, and natural-looking, perfect for busy landscapes. Finally, Jersey Shore gravel. With warm tones of tan, gold, and yellow, it gives a soft, beach-like feel. Perfect for garden beds, walkways, and around patios. It adds warmth and works beautifully with greenery. If you're aiming for a relaxed, coastal vibe, this gravel really delivers. So how do you choose the right gravel? Ask yourself 3 questions. 1. Is this area for walking, driving, or just decoration? 2. Do I need strong compaction or a soft texture? 3. What overall style am I going for? Modern, rustic, coastal, or desert? When you match function first and then style, you'll always make the right choice. Gravel may seem small, but it can completely transform your landscape. It improves drainage, increases durability, reduces maintenance, and makes your outdoor space beautiful. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical landscape design tips. And let us know in the comments, what type of gravel are you planning to use? See you in the next video.